Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen IT Learning, your one-stop place to master computers and tech the easy way. If you're new to computers or just want to refresh your basics, this video is for you. Today I'll explain 10 computer basics every beginner must know in 2025, in simple, easy language. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start learning. A computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes it, and gives output. In simple words, you tell it what to do, and it gives you the result. Example, you type a sentence, input, computer displays it, process, you print it, output. There are different types of computers. Desktops, laptops, tablets, and even smartphones count as computers today. Let's break down the main parts of a computer. 1. Monitor, shows what you're doing, the screen. 2. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer. 3. Keyboard, for typing. 4. Mouse, for pointing and clicking. 5. Printer scanner, for printing and scanning. Pro tip: always keep your CPU and monitor dust-free for better performance and longer life. Hardware, MyTunes, things you can touch, like mouse, keyboard. Software, MyTunes, programs you use, like MS Word, Chrome, Photoshop. Together, they make your computer useful. Without software, your hardware is like a body with no brain. The operating system, OS, is what makes your computer work. Popular OS examples: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and on phones, Android or iOS. Windows 11 is the most common in 2025. It handles everything, from files and folders to running your apps. Let's quickly clear this up. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, webcam, mic. Output devices, monitor, printer, speakers. Input, CHAOS, give information. Output, CHAOS, get result. Think of your computer like a cupboard. Each folder is a drawer. Each file is an item inside that drawer. You can organize your files, like documents, music, or pictures. Storage devices like hard drive, SSD, or pen drive keep your data safe. The internet connects computers worldwide. You use it for searching, watching videos, emailing, and much more. Key tools: browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, search engine, Google, Bing email, Gmail, Outlook. Remember, never share personal data on random websites. Always use antivirus, strong passwords, and don't click unknown links. Tip: turn on two-factor authentication wherever possible. Cybersecurity is as important as learning how to use the computer itself. Keep your computer clean, update software regularly, and delete unnecessary files. Use tools like CCleaner or Windows Disk Cleanup to speed things up. Learning computer is all about practice. Try these shortcuts today. Ctrl+C, shock copy, Ctrl+V, sucker paste, Ctrl+Z, shocker undo alt, plus tab, sucker switch windows. Practice daily for 15 to 30 minutes, and in a month, you'll feel like a pro. So, that's it for today. 10 computer basics that every beginner must know in 2025. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to NextGen IT Learning, and share this video with your friends who are just starting their computer journey. In the next video, we'll cover MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, beginner to pro in 15 minutes. See you soon.